play to Montreal. First shot on goal of this period for Montreal. Yanked onto the back, and it's fed back across. Subban with it. Fires! Score!
At the last second because of that deflection off the Beverly stick. Rask is helpless in goal.
Subban's best year 2 years ago when he scored 14 times. This is the first one in the short season, and is he ever happy in game number 3 for him?
I guess they like the mount on.